guys, we're back in video. My game by Bob. We still in the school.
Ay, ano yan? What's that? Ay, ang galing.
Stress.
Reliever. Ay, stress na ba si Eita?
Hindi niya. Nag-isa sila ni Enzo. Si Enzo naman, si Taco.
Let's go. Let's go. Episode 3. Whoa.
Nako na.
Pelican. Oh, you get it. It's a group. It's a group again. I'm Groot.
Saan?
I'm Groot. I'm Groot. I'm Groot. I'm
Saan ka
Groot.
naroon? Oh.
Go.
Ay, palabas pa lang ng house.
If,
Oh, may senator.
if,
Palabas pa lang nga. Wow.
if the
Grabe.
fish on the
Nakaano siya
floor.
mga shawl.
Pelican.
Grabe. Ano,
Oh
may
yeah,
eleksyon?
I placed the fish in the floor.
Ano, mag-order na kami?
Yes.
Anong order
Honey,
mo?
what is it?
Sumakay ka na.
Again,
Anong order? Hot choco lang.
it's in the middle.
Eh, kasama mo. Ha?
It's hot again in episode 1.
Oh!
Corn
Ano
beef.
yung drinks
There.
niya? Okay. Go. Kape na ano ko?
His head,
Kape.
head fell off.
Tapos yung isa ay hot choco lang.
He,
Ano yung
no, that's so
pagkain?
Corn beef. Wala yung kahati ko ng longganisa eh. Corn beef na lang.
Narito ako. I-scramble ko yung egg mo.
Yes. Salamat.
I-scramble ko yung egg. Okay?
Ay, pareho tayo scrambled?
Yeah.
I'm full.
Okay? Naman ko. Nino ang kape.
Kape, ma'am, chef.
Kape na ako kanina. Adi. May kasama yun.
When
Arte ka pa.
a open closet,
Kain na tayo.
something.
Pure na Batangas yung kape ko kanina mo.
Oh, Mama! This is in the closet. No use.
Ano sa dito? Andun.
This is the right already. I'm in there.
Para magsisignan eh. Walang lalabas siya.
What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do in this game?
Maraming mag-depend.
10 to 6 daw.
Wow. Ngayon sa kanya matatapos.
Bilis lang.
This is the hot.
Sinasalgan
Fell
ba?
off.
Ganun. Kasama din.
Hindi. Hindi kasama
Yeah,
Sir
I think that's the
Sir
same.
German.
Ay, Sergio Apila.
Iwalay
Okay,
kasi.
God will not again already.
Pero pag magdidepend si Sir Galvan, sama ako.
Let's go
Pag
to...
magdidepend si Sir, sama ako.
Kasama kami.
Pag nag-depends ako, magkasama sila.
What I'm gonna do?
Hindi pala pare-pareho.
Please. Let's go.
Depende kung kailan sila nag-enroll. Ano?
Oo. Kung kanino sila
Yeah, never
naka-enroll.
rush that. Let's go.
Pero si DJ kasama lahat.
Styro mountain.
Isang ka lang.
Ay, ibang grupo.
Ha?
Ibang grupo.
I don't like to die.
Hindi na namin siya sinasama.
Ay, ibang grupo na siya.
Get two.
Mga kasama niya, tagaroon na.
I don't like to die. Five minutes later.
Bakit umiwalay siya?
Naghiwalay sila.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam.
May baby? Ay, ganyan na sila?
Hindi, naghiwalay lang sila ng ano.
Pero okay na lang po.
Oo, wala na.
We just like to them.
Kasal yun.
Oh, no, no.
Kasi ibang grupo sila eh. Banganga.
Sa South.
I hate this. I hate this.
Kaya mo sila dito.
Oo.
I like broccoli.
Hindi marami rin breakfast yun. Kasi mag-asawa din niya.
After 4 days. This is a deep.
Punta kayo man sa Dubai? Sa March? Hindi kayo?
Oh, I got that.
Baka June.
It's in my hand. It's my here. Look.
Kasi ang hirap magpaalam pag may pasok.
Tapos kaalis nyo lang.
And look at there.
Sana nga medyo pahinga muna nga yung isang taon na to kasi yearly. Nag-Europe, nag-US.
Oo nga, no?
Siguro dito lang
Let's
muna.
go for it. Oh, they both light up.
Sabi ko nga, Pilipinas na lang.
Put light up.
Pa yung mga tourist.
Mommy help.
Di ba? Hindi nga natin mapuntahan lahat pa yung mga
Kaya nga eh.
I need broke
tourist spots dito
this.
sa atin.
You broke this last time, Hawk. And both of these will light.
Hindi rin ganun kaganda naman ng US.
Talaga?
Wow.
Marami nang ilaw. Sa Las
Pero
Vegas.
syempre, iba rin ang pag sinabi ng US.
Oo nga eh.
Di ba?
Yo.
It's getting late.
Para mo lahat, maganda.
Because I got hard work
Tapos
to
ang dala
do.
mo. Kumbaga dito ka lang.
What
Times
am I gonna
56 ang
do?
Gastos mo.
gasto. Yung piso nila, 56 natin.
Yay! Do this. I just place a bed in case when it's too dark. Wow. I'll show you squeeze.
Gastos. Pahinga
Okay.
muna sa gastos.
Tama.
I'm sleeping outside
Kung mo
the
sa ticket mo na lang, ano? Accommodation, hotel.
finally day.
200,000.
Package yun, ma'am? Package?
Oo. 200,000.
Isa?
I see a whale there.
Umabot ng 240 ba yun?
Glitters.
Ano yun? Promo pa yun? O hindi?
Hindi.
What do I do? Yeah. Can I please get more fast terms?
Anong sagot mo kay ano, ma'am?
Sa
Kay
food.
Johnny? Hindi. Kay ano, sino ba yun? Yung nag-send ka ng
Go.
Dubai?
So,
Kay...
Kay Vidas, Greta.
Sabi ko,
Oh,
as ko, siyempre,
Oo.
para mapag-compare
Wow.
natin. Kasi ang entrance ng Miracle Garden noon ay 200 dirhams na.
Pero syempre, mas mahal yung package nila.
Kwan lang yun, no?
Kung DIY tayo.
30 dirhams lang yung una-una yun, ma'am, no? Nung nandun ako.
Di ba?
Tapos yung pag-after sa Burj Khalifa,
oh.
150 ang bayan, pataas.
150 din.
Kaya,
Ilan ba ang ano niyan? Palit lang.
Now,
ngayon,
Depende.
15, 16, ganyan.
15 plus, gano'n.
Kaya ngayon, ang inaano ko, kinakomplete ko.
Now I'll put the rail.
Magkano yun? 1,000? 1,500. So lumalabas na,
70.
sabihin na natin, 75 mga
Oo,
ganun.
75. Kasi from the airport to hotel natin,
Yay! So fast. Wow.
Kasi 75. I-minus mo na yung pamasahe natin, 35. 40,000 naman. Ano natin?
yung 40,000.
Let's
Yung
go.
accommodation.
This is the fastest
Accommodation natin.
ride
Gastos pa
ever.
natin ng 40 mil.
go, let's go.
Accommodation.
Come on, let's go. Come on, so fast.
Eh, kasama ba yun sa entrance?
Kasama.
Go, go, go. Oh, I forgot that.
Kasi lumalabas, sabihin mo ng 300
Oh my God, done.
o 400.
O 16.
So tired.
400 times 16. Eh, kinukwenta-kwenta ka.
Tsaka ma'am, may pasok. March pa yun. Walang June.
Oo, kasi sarado lang nila.
Kapag June.
Kasi na mainit na.
Mainit na yun.
Tinatakiban na nila.
July, August, summer.
Oh, next time you go there with Daddy Lou. There. Here, at the other. Bilis, sit down ka na doon. Bilis. Ay, look at Daddy Lou's there.
Where Daddy Lo is not
There.
here.
Oh, you see. Check.
Hello sa...
Ito na kayo.
Let's go.
Sige,
Fly
pag may
away.
upo doon, wala ka na upuan.
Go ride again. Make it so fast. Yeah, so fast.
Papabayad nila sa akin.
No.
March 27 to April 1.
Oh, no.
Fighter merge is harder than you think.
We
Merge
are
your warriors.
ruined
Wednesday.
Some bosses are
Wednesday,
very strong.
Thursday, Friday.
You should evolve your fighters and make them stronger with cool weapons. Some enemies are
Tapos
very
1.
strong.
Apat na araw pang mag-aaral.
Pick your best strategy. Destroy their army. Fighter merge. Play now.
I'm flying away. Darling. Ah. It's my spine on me, huh? My spine on me. Just sleep. I'll make TNT. No. I'll just put lava there. Where is it? Yeah, here. The floor is lava, boy. The floor is lava. Everyone will die. No. Put water. Yay. Put water. Got it. We're gonna destroy this house. Destroy. Put more lava. And I'll kill you all. I'll just live with my top houses. Yeah. I'm broken everything because there's always monsters inside of them.
People with the highest IQ figure out Molly's definition on the first try.
Go. Yeah, already broken. All of the monsters die. Go. Yay. I'll put lava in here. Okay, now all of you be rotted fresh. Now this is ridiculous. I hope this Everyone die. Swim, swim. Let's go inside. Everyone will die. Then why are you still swimming? Let's go. Yay! What?
Jollibee.
What is smiling about?
More delicious. And soft. And crunchy.
Now let's go. Now bye bye guys. See you later.